What is going on, everybody? Happy Monday. And today is the day that the Bulls have been loathing for a while and the Bears have been waiting for quite some time. And as you know, over the past about a couple weeks or so, the NASDAQ futures have just been resilient as all heck, and they just keep on going. And finally, we're starting to see that pullback. Today's the day that the Bears have been waiting for, myself included, for quite some time. So I want to go over what I was looking at, what I saw today to rack in roughly 16K in these My Funded Futures 100K challenge accounts. And just want to pull up the performance of them real quick for you. And you'll notice we had 6 total trades, 5 winners, 1 loser, but we got it done. And I'll walk you through what happened and everything along those lines. So, first thing that I saw this morning, though, was that we were in, this is on the 2 minute chart here, but if you look down here on the left, I love to pull up the daily chart. We have been putting in a red candle all morning, and the higher time frames showed that we were weak below VWAP. Same thing here on the 1 hour as well. You're below VWAP, and when I see that, okay, my sentiment has shifted finally towards being much more bearish, even though for the past couple weeks I've been getting trounced in terms of having my trades being held longer. So, what did I look at? What was I seeing? And that all starts with the morning range here on the 2 minute. I like to take my entries and exits on the 2 minute here. But one thing that I saw was that we had this large fair value gap up here for on the 2 minute this morning around 4 a.m. And this was basically the pre-market high. And when we have this move down and then a period of consolidation, what I was anticipating was a retracement up into this level and then the sell off. But we couldn't even break above and hold above VWAP, which was what gave me my confirmation to go short. But I think the most crucial part of this was being able to accurately chart out this 2 minute range that basically persisted from, I would say, about quarter of 6 in the morning. So let's just call it 6 a.m. all the way through market open. So 6, 7, 8, you had almost 3.5 hours of consolidation before the move lower began. So the market was coiling up anyways. And as the market opened, let's just zoom in here, I had anticipated that once we got into this top of the range here, which ultimately I did essentially catch the top, we had a nice sell off down. But I thought this was going to start this very stark move because over the past week and a half or so, it's been just a quick rise up with no real selling pressure being able to be sustained. So, in my opinion, I thought the sell off was going to be much quicker and faster and also harsher than anticipated. So I took my next entry right here. I should have held off, but you'll notice that trade was virtually erased because, like NASDAQ does, you can't trust it. It completely retested the top of this zone and we closed below VWAP, like you'll notice right here. So that got me in short here as well. Consolidated a little bit more, held on, got stopped out. But nonetheless, we were still positive. Had another entry here where we were good to go, and then this was the majority of the move, which finally broke what the camel's back was on NASDAQ and gave us our push down. So we are still not consolidating, but we're having our rebounds be completely bought up. We've already had one here bought up, sold off, two sold off, three sold off. So does this give us our third or fourth leg down, or do we retrace back up to back test 500 and push off again? We shall see. But that is the thesis and everything I was watching for today's video. But of course, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please comment on down below. Appreciate your guys' support and trade safe to start this week as we head in towards what is left of the Santa Claus rally or sell off. We are going to find out. But depending on how today closes, guys, I think we're going to see continued selling pressure through the rest of this week. So that's what I'm watching. We'll check back for another video, and I'll be sure to see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.